Unlock the energy of English. Be Zestful Explained. Hello, enthusiastic learners. Today, we're going to dive into a phrase that sparkles with energy and enthusiasm. We're exploring the meaning of be zestful and how you can use it to add a dash of excitement to your English conversations. So, let's get ready to infuse some vigor into your vocabulary. What exactly does it mean to be zestful? The word zestful is an adjective that comes from the noun zest. While zest can refer to the peel of citrus fruits used as flavoring, in this context, it's about approaching life with eagerness and energy. So, to be zestful is to be full of enthusiasm and vivacious spirit. It's when your attitude is bursting with lively energy. Let's see how to sprinkle be zestful into sentences. She approaches every project with a zestful attitude, which inspires the whole team. Even on Mondays, he manages to be zestful. His energy is infectious. To be zestful about learning English is to embrace every new word and grammar rule with excitement. By using be zestful in such sentences, you show an optimistic and energetic approach to activities or life in general. You might wonder, when is it appropriate to use this phrase? Use be zestful when you want to compliment someone on their positive energy or motivate someone to tackle a task with enthusiasm. It's perfect for motivational speeches, encouraging others to undertake activities with gusto, positive feedback, praising someone's enthusiastic behavior, self-motivation, reminding yourself to stay energized and passionate. There you have it. To be zestful is to carry a joyful spark in everything you do. I hope this video helps you incorporate this beautiful phrase into your daily English, adding an extra slice of zest to your conversations. Keep learning, stay zestful, and see you in the next video.